Can you believe this Korean actress is 44 but looks just 25? Her secret isn't surgery, and it's not a filter. It's a simple beauty ritual anyone can try. I'm Mazzy, your beauty bestie. Every night, she follows a flawless 3-step routine. First, a gentle cleanse with Mazzy Beauty's 24-karat gold face wash, infused with real gold and antioxidants to lift away dullness. Then, the vitamin C face serum, brightening, tightening and fading dark spots for that glass skin glow. And finally, the face whitening cream, locking in moisture, smoothing tone and leaving your skin luminous while you sleep. This isn't magic, it's skincare science with a golden touch. Within days, your skin feels smoother, brighter, younger. So, are you ready to reveal your 24-karat glow? Try the Mazzy Beauty and Cosmetics routine and let your glow tell your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this secret with someone who deserves to shine.